guys, I am driving to get some training at the gym. And one day that I choose to do my training, guess what? Look at the weather. Come go with me to the gym. Look, guys. I made it. I'm at the gym. I made it. The gym. Let me turn off my wipers so y'all can see them. I'm at the gym, guys. I'm at the gym. I'm sleepy as heck, okay? But I'm here. How many cars in done? Look at all the cars. Man, everybody get up this early? Look at that time. Look at Cardi B. Look at my trainer. Look at her. She waiting on me. Look. Yes, sir. She got a look on her face like Cardi B. Yeah. That's the way. We like it. I am working out with the best girl in show business. Look at her. She has a strong legs. Come here to show your legs so I can get some food. That's what I'm gonna look like. Yes, I'm gonna look like that. Just like that. That's good. I'm gonna look just like that.
Come on, girl. You gotta get faster.
Oh, I gotta go faster.
You gotta go faster.
Man, I'm like easy breezy. I like easy breezy. You see me?
Yeah, they see you.
Okay, now get my good side. My good side.
You looking way too cute to be in this. You gotta get faster. Come on.
I gotta get hey guys. Hey guys. Wait up, look at the head. They looking at me. I don't know why. Man, I'm gonna be looking like a big juicy hamburger right now.
Longer. We get to 200 meters. We're at 200.
I gotta get some.
Yeah, you're almost there. Look, you're almost there. You got 50 meters left. That's where you go, the quicker it goes. Yeah. You got it. Come on. You're almost there. 20 meters left.
I can do it, guys. I can do it.
And
Look at my fancy
good. There you go.
Hey, I did it. Here's some.
All right. Let's move on.
Thank you. I'm in the gym. In the gym.
In the joint.
Show me one more time.
There you go. Go down, up, down, up. Just like that. Now you're good. Nobody's gonna touch it.
Okay, you ready?
All right, again. So lunge. So go down. There you go. Come back up. This one. Hold on. Come on. Yes. Yeah, drop the knee. There you go. Come back up. Yep. Look at you. Keep going. Yep. Small tap on the floor. Yep, there you go. Keep going until I tell you stop. There you go. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. I'm gonna get you water. Hold it like this. Up. Go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, go. Yeah, man. There you go. Keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Go straighter. Just like that. Straight. There you go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, girl.
I did it. I did that exercise. Woo. I did the little fitness training. Oh, it is fierce. Okay.